Stock Market Live Trading Strategies for Financial Triumph. Did you know that live trading has the potential to unlock unprecedented financial success? Today, we're diving into the world of live trading strategies that can pave the way to your financial triumph. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey that could change the way you approach the markets forever. Welcome to the Financial 911 channel, the ultimate destination where financial triumph begins. Today, we're delving into the art of live trading, unlocking strategies that could make a significant difference in your financial journey. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, this video is packed with insights that can help you master live trading for ultimate success. 1. The foundation of successful live trading. Understanding market dynamics. It's crucial to understand the fundamental dynamics of the market. From market trends to volatility, we'll cover the basics that every successful trader should know. Risk management strategies. Risk management is the bedrock of successful trading. We'll explore proven strategies to protect your capital and minimize losses, ensuring you're well equipped to navigate the unpredictable nature of the market. 2. Why live trading matters. The dynamism of live trading. Now, let's delve into why live trading matters and why it's such a dynamic force in the world of finance. Imagine the stock market as a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and reacting to real-world events. That's the dynamism of live trading. In live trading, every second counts. Unlike traditional investing, where you buy and hold, live trading lets you respond to market changes in real time. Whether it's a breaking news story, economic data release, or a sudden shift in investor sentiment, live trading allows you to adapt swiftly, potentially turning market events into profitable opportunities. Real-time market data and live news feeds become your eyes and ears in the market, giving you the edge to make informed decisions as events unfold. The impact is tremendous. It means you're not just a spectator. You're an active participant in the financial landscape. Let's face it, we all desire instant results, especially when it comes to our finances. Live trading resonates with this desire by offering the potential for quick wins and instant financial gratification. It's not just about the numbers on the screen. It's about the lifestyle, the freedom, and the thrill of seeing your decisions translate into tangible results in the blink of an eye. Compare this to traditional investing, where you might have to wait months or even years to see significant returns. Live trading accelerates the pace, aligning with the modern mindset of instant gratification that many of us crave. 3. Understanding market conditions. Before we dive into specific live trading strategies, it's crucial to set the stage by understanding the current market conditions. Think of it as the foundation upon which successful trades are built. The importance of market analysis. Just like building a house requires a solid foundation, successful trading demands a thorough understanding of market conditions. This brings us to the cornerstone of trading, market analysis. There are several key indicators that act as the compass in the vast sea of financial markets. Moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and moving average convergence divergence, MACD, just to name a few. These indicators provide insights into the market's health, strength, and potential turning points. Moving averages help identify trends, RSI gauges the strength of a trend, and MACD reveals potential changes in momentum. By combining these indicators, traders can make more informed decisions, aligning their strategies with the prevailing market conditions. Additionally, staying updated with the latest market news is crucial. Economic reports, geopolitical events, and corporate announcements can significantly impact market sentiment. As traders, being aware of these factors is key to anticipating potential market movements. In summary, market analysis is the compass that guides your trading ship. Understanding key indicators and staying abreast of current market conditions are the first steps toward making strategic, informed decisions. Now that we've set the stage, let's move on to the exciting part: implementing live trading strategies for financial triumph. Stick with us, you're in for a treat. 4. Essential live trading strategies. Now we dive into the heart of our discussion: essential live trading strategies. In this segment, we're unveiling 3 powerful strategies that can shape your journey toward financial triumph. Let's dive in. A. Strategy 1. Quick wins for day trading. Strategy number 1 is all about quick wins for day trading. In the fast-paced world of day trading, timing is everything. One effective strategy is the breakout momentum. This involves identifying key support and resistance levels and entering a trade when the price breaks out of these levels, riding the momentum for quick gains. It's like catching a wave in the ocean at just the right moment. Take a look at these real-time examples on the screen. The strategy relies on precise entry and exit points, allowing traders to capitalize on short-term price movements. To make it crystal clear, let's walk through a case study. Imagine you identified a stock with a strong upward trend approaching a resistance level. You strategically enter the trade as it breaks through, and within hours, you've secured a profitable position. Quick wins and instant gratification. That's the essence of day trading. B. Strategy 2. Building wealth with long-term investments. Now, let's shift gears and talk about building lasting wealth through long-term investments. Long-term success is about sustainability. It's not just about chasing quick gains. It's about building a balanced portfolio that weathers the storms of market volatility. Diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate can help mitigate risk and enhance long-term stability. Start by setting clear financial goals, assess your risk tolerance, and diversify your investments. Consider blue-chip stocks, index funds, and dividend-paying securities for steady returns over time. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Patience and a well-thought-out strategy are your allies in building lasting wealth. C. Strategy 3. Risk management techniques. Now, let's address a critical aspect often overlooked: risk management. No matter how skilled you are, trading involves risks. It's crucial to protect your capital and ensure you can live to trade another day. This brings us to our risk management techniques, an arsenal of strategies to shield your investments from potential downturns. Utilize tools like stop-loss orders, position sizing, and risk-reward ratios. By defining your risk tolerance and implementing these techniques, you're in control, even in the face of market uncertainties. Remember, a successful trader isn't just someone who makes profits. It's someone who knows how to protect them. 5. Overcoming challenges. Emotional discipline. This is the topic that is often underestimated but holds the key to long-term success in trading: emotional discipline. Trading isn't just about numbers and charts. It's about managing the roller coaster of emotions that come with it. Let's dive into the emotional roller coaster that is trading. The market can evoke a wide range of emotions: excitement, fear, greed, and frustration, to name a few. One common pitfall is letting fear and greed drive your decisions. Fear can paralyze you, preventing you from taking necessary risks, while greed can lead to impulsive actions and overtrading. Look at these charts. Fear often leads to panic selling during market downturns, while greed can result in buying at inflated prices during a euphoric rally. Recognizing these pitfalls is the first step to overcoming them. Another challenge is dealing with losses. Losses are inevitable in trading, but how you react to them is crucial. It's easy to let a single loss affect your confidence and decision-making. Remember, every successful trader has faced setbacks. It's not about avoiding losses but learning from them and using them to refine your strategy. Now, let's explore techniques for maintaining emotional discipline. Firstly, establish a trading plan. Having a well-defined plan with clear entry and exit points, risk-reward ratios, and risk management rules can provide a roadmap during turbulent times. Your trading plan acts as a guide, reducing the impact of emotional impulses. Stick to the plan, even when emotions are running high. Secondly, embrace mindfulness. In the heat of trading, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. Take a moment to breathe, assess your emotions, and ensure that your decisions are based on rational analysis rather than impulsive reactions. And finally, keep a trading journal. Documenting your trades, emotions, and the rationale behind your decisions can provide valuable insights. It's like having a personal log of your trading journey. By reviewing your journal regularly, you can identify patterns in your behavior and make conscious efforts to improve. Remember, emotional discipline is not about suppressing emotions but about channeling them in a way that serves your trading goals. By addressing these emotional aspects head-on and implementing these techniques, you're better equipped to navigate the challenges of the market. 6. Conclusion. And there you have it, traders. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring essential live trading strategies and delving into the crucial realm of emotional discipline. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key points. Strategy 1: Quick wins for day trading. Strategy 2: Building wealth with long-term investments. And Strategy 3: Risk management techniques. These are the pillars that can set you on the path to financial triumph. From the fast-paced excitement of day trading to the stability of long-term investments and the crucial importance of managing risk, these strategies form a comprehensive toolkit for any trader. Now, here's your call to action, traders. Take what you've learned today and apply it to your own trading journey. Test these strategies, adapt them to your style, and remember, that learning comes from doing. The market is your canvas. Go ahead and paint your success. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with fellow traders. Your support keeps this community thriving. Before we part ways, I want to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for spending your time with us today. Your engagement, questions, and enthusiasm are what make this community special. Disclaimer: trading involves risk, and it's important to do thorough research and seek professional advice before making any financial decisions. The content provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Thanks again for being here, and we'll catch you in the next video.